Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So as y'all know, my son blew the motor he had in there, so I had one from Castle coming. So I went ahead and threw it in there last night, so we're gonna do some testing today, see how it does. It does just have a Sidewinder 4 in there it's not even censored, so try to see if we can get the best times out of it. Last night I took it out in the back, was testing it, and I lost one of the caps. I gotta order one of those. Alright, so it's just me and him. We're just gonna be testing. I'm gonna be testing a few of my rigs. I probably won't be doing too much testing with this because I got this where I want it as of right now, but a few other rigs I did bring to test. But let's go ahead and see what this got. Alright, it's gonna be the first test pass on this motor. See if we can make a clean pass. Nice let off. Alright, so on the remote has a setting where I can turn it to low, medium, and high. I got it at 75% right now. That might be too slow though. Yeah, and I don't think I measured this right. So we won't be going off the time. We'll just be going off of accurate passes. Just want to see if it makes some good passes. Wasn't a bad pass. Needs to be turned up. 2.8. Nice save. Alright, we did some body adjustments because it's on this ground, it's scraping on the floor. It's a lot better. It's a lot better. Just brung the body post up a little bit. Try this lever now. Try to come out the whole full throttle from start to end. There you go. That was a good pass. Alright, YouTube, I did some changes to this because the other day it was doing a lot of hopping, so I took some of the adjustment off of the suspension and make it softer, see if that'll help. So we just gonna get some, I got it turned down right now, just trying to make some clean passes. Let's see what it do. Not really going off the times today because I didn't trail this out. I just put it up just to see what speed my son and stuff was getting. Alright, so I was gonna test the changes on both cars. I did some changes to his car as well. So we'll see if it makes any difference or what happens. That was full throttle all the way? Nice. Alright, y'all, I got it turned down right now. Just trying to make some clean passes. And we'll go. Try to come out full throttle. It's gonna come out hard, so you gotta drive it. Drive that thing. There you go. .28 at 49. Doing good though. Good setup. Alright, y'all. So what I did was take some preload off the back of my shocks. Just want to give it a hit. It's only at like 60% right now, just to make a clean pass. wasn't bad. It didn't do as much jumping as it did before. Try to turn it up, see what happens. Alright, y'all, turned it up a little bit more. Hopefully she make a clean pass. I don't want to go ridiculous with it. Making some good passes with the suspension dialed down. That's a good thing. Alright guys, turned it up a little bit more once again. Just trying to dial that power in. I had to drive that just now. Might have to correct it, but it's going in the right direction. Alright y'all, we did some more changes. We want to see if it helped. Notice I got a little cog on the line, but we'll work that out. You gotta dry that thing. Make sure you get it right. Nice pass. And launch it. Yeah. There you go. She picking up. She picking up. It's a rough road, but she picking up. Alright, some more changes once again. So let's see what it does. Yeah. Gotta dry that thing. Damn, that thing moving. That was a good run. That was a good run. Doing a lot of spinning out the hole. 2-8, I think you lose. See? Spinning out the hole. You're gonna have to fix that. I don't want none of that. I mean, with some better size of the hook. These some old beat up ones. 299. Alright, y'all, did some more adjustments. I'm gonna see if this thing come out how I want it to. That's at still turned down, so about at 80. I need to turn up to 100 and see if it's gonna handle it. Alright guys, right now the battery's almost dying, and this is gonna be my last test hit with it. I do got it turned up. Just if it comes out good, that's all I wanted. She should be ready for next week. I see I gotta do some tire rotation. Alright, she did her thing. I had to drive it just now, but she doing her thing. She coming along. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Testing two so far with this one. It sounded like I blew the front diff, but I think I did that because of the brake. We'll see. I just turned it down to 90 to get a launch in. I do got the 2 new 6S packs. I'm only running 1. I put it in there for the weight distribution. Let's see if she get down there. Yeah. Alright guys, we'll probably get some more street eliminator in and then we'll call it a wrap. Pretty happy with my street eliminator. I'm just fooling around right now. Alright y'all, we did some changes in both, well, his car. Now we just I didn't even notice how your car came out. It was spinning. Sound like it's getting too high. 2.8. Alright, so far we went too much, so we went back down. See what happens. Ooh, that big kicker. Bring it back, bring it back. We start over. Let's try that again. Get some more tuna. Let's see if it come out smoother. My body dragging on the floor ain't helping, but I know it's because of this parking lot. When we ran it the other day in the other parking lot, it was nice and smooth. So yeah, we're going in the right direction. I know this ain't accurate, but we just trying to get with the ballpark. But if we pick up that body rub, it'll definitely do better. It ain't that, man. That ain't when the body rubbing. It's when the air hits this, it brings the car down. See? All that body rub ain't helping. We get rid of that, we'll be alright. Alright, we did some adjustment. I lift the body way up. I want to see if it dragged. Dragging a lot less, but still dragging. 2.8. Bring it back up in the 2.8. It went back to a 2.8 though. That's great. That's great. And it didn't help us. So now that I think we could even still go down and it'll go faster. Bad, it's ready. It's dragging on the wheelie bar too. All that slowing the car down. I see it. The whole car go down and it start dragging on the wheelie bar. Go down just like that. Yep. And start dragging on the wheelie bar. So that wheelie bar come up, you'll be faster for sure. And it's the back of the car that's grinding on the floor. Just realized that. That was the back of the body dragging, so we raised up the back just to see if that'll help. It's only in this parking lot. Helped a little bit. I think the back could be raised up a little bit more. See if we made any difference. Cigar. Don't worry about that. It was a lot better. It was a lot better from where it was sounding. 2.8 at 39. Too much damn body rub from right here. Alright, y'all, it's gonna be one of the last runs. I don't like that body drag, but only happens here in this parking lot. Try and see. Car going nice and straight. Once it don't rattle, you'll be alright. Start putting some power to it. Do it again. Put some power to it and then go from there. Right now, it's looking good though. It's getting down there. Alright, YouTube, I did some adjustments to the XTM. She been pulling a lot on me. I don't know what's going on with her, but hopefully I got it dialed in for now. We'll see. Lost one of my body clips. See the body lifting up. But that's on 70%. Let me gotta turn it up. Get one on 90 and then we'll call it a day. A lot of jumping for sure. Be the last hit of the day, y'all. See if she hold up to it. Alright, guys. See what we got. Pulling on me hard, right, too. Alright, last test hit of the day. So far I'm going with the XC for ape scale, but I still want to dial this in to get some speed runs in, so it's going to be the last test hit with this one. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a wrap. Had a good day testing. Know where all the cars is at right now. So we'll just go from there. Thank you guys for tuning in.